How to set up countdown bot on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type epoch and Unix timestamp conversion. Now open up the first website. Now set up your timer. Now tap on human date to timestamp. Now copy the code. Now go back to Discord. Now type a new message. Now write the message as shown in the screen. Now paste the code. Now click on send. Paste the code between the paste the code between the symbols like this and click on send. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.